Welcome to my channel. Today video I'm going to give you 5 companies, 5 websites that will help you fund your side hustle. They are ready to give you over $10,000 to start up your side hustle or to start up a small business for yourself. After this video you are going to thank me later, so please, but I'm not going to make this video long. It's going to be a short video because I'll be giving you 5 websites that will help you to start up your side hustle. Please, all you need is to sign up, and secondly, whatever that you need this money for, you have to be truthful to yourself, and definitely you'll be getting this money. And one important thing is that the money will be paid directly into your bank account. Okay, yes, it will be paid directly into your bank account, and this bank account you provide, they pay with paper, they pay with bank transfer, they pay with check. So whichever means that you love or you want to use to collect your money, that is the means they will pay in this money into your bank account. You can get over $10,000 for yourself to start up your side hustle. Now, number one site on the list is justgiving.com. Yes, you can just Google it, type on Google Just Giving. I think it should be the number 1 ranking on Google. So Just Giving have been helping a lot of people, and one thing I love about this site is that they have a monthly visitors of over 5 million people. Okay, 5 million people visit Just Giving for help, seeking to get money to start up their own business. So of course you can also go to Just Giving, and then all you need to do is just sign up. And you know, one important thing I love about Just Giving is that most of their visitors comes from the United States. Okay, then Canada, we also have UK, Northern Ireland, and of course, so many countries have been visiting Just Giving, but US are the number 1 ranked country that have been going there seeking for help. Of course, they want to help you. They want to help your side hustle, your small business, at least if you can even start up something for yourself as a, maybe after your daily jobs, you can start up something for yourself that will help you. They are always ready to help you. Then number 2 is Indiegogo. I don't know if I'm getting that pronunciation well, but you can see it on the screen. Yes, this is another big, popular, most visited site people have been visiting to seek for help. Indiegogo will help you fund your side hustle. Indiegogo will help you start up that side business that you want to do. Okay, and I love Indiegogo for the fact that Indiegogo have more visitors than Just Giving itself. So Indiegogo is one of the sites you need to go. And number 3 is Fundly. Oh yes, Fundly.com. Many people already know about Fundly, but Fundly till today they're still giving out over hundreds of millions of dollars have been given out by Fundly. And of course, they still get a monthly visitors of millions. It runs in millions. So one thing you need to understand about site, I normally tell people, sometimes you don't need to visit a site whereby it's a new site or a site maybe people are complaining about this site. But when you have a website whereby millions of people have been visiting the site on a monthly basis, what does it tell you? It tells you that something is good. That is why something good is happening on that site. That is why people are actually going to that site. That's why they are getting this high ranking. Okay, so I already mentioned another, which is Fundly. And number 4 on the list is Kickstarter. Yes, well, some people might know about Kickstarter, and I also believe that Kickstarter is quite popular, and of course they've been helping a lot of people. Maybe you need medical assistance, you need financial assistance, you need money for education assistance. Kickstarter will also be helping a lot of people, and of course they are ready to help you start up your side hustle. Okay, they can get over $10,000 to $20,000 from Kickstarter, and Kickstarter will keep on helping a lot of people. And the last one on the list, number 5, I want to mention, I'm telling you, site that I've already checked, and most of my friends are also getting help from this website. They are helping, believe me, they are paying, and they will pay directly to your bank account. Number 5 is beggingmoney.com. Just like the name sound, beggingmoney.com. Beggingmoney.com is quite popular among so many people. Well, like the name sound, begging money, people go there seeking for financial assistance to start up 1 or 2 things, or they have issues, or some people want to pay rent, they are able to pay rent. Some people might not have accommodation, they need accommodation. Some people it might be based on medical, some people it might be based on education assistance, or some people want to promote their career. Some people might be sports. So it means different things that you really need money for. Beggingmoney.com will definitely help you to raise some money. And of course, they're also one of the top sites that get monthly traffic that crosses over millions of people. So like I said, I'm not going to waste your time more, but these 5 websites will definitely help you to start up your side hustle. Okay, these 5 websites, all you need is a valid email address, or some of them they will ask you to sign up with your Facebook account. That means if you have a Facebook account, you don't need to sign up, you don't need to just log in with your Facebook account and you are good to go. Then definitely you need to just go there. But first of all, what I will advise you is when you visit these sites, please kindly go to About Us, read a little bit about them, then go to their policy so you understand things they want and things they don't want. Then thirdly, you also go to check how do they pay. Okay, so although most of them pays with paper and some of them pay with bank account, some transfer to your bank account, the rest some pay with check. Okay, so these are the major means most of them pay. And in case you don't have a bank account, you can still go to Payoneer and create one for yourself. It is for free. Okay, Payoneer can even send you ATM. If you need the ATM, they will send you ATM in any country where you are. So it's a free. You can open the bank account with Payoneer, or if you have a normal bank account, you can use your normal bank account to collect your money. Of course, another important thing I want to mention are some of these sites I just mentioned. Let's assume you needed $20,000. They don't need to wait till your money gets to $20,000 before they will send you the money to your bank account. No. What they normally do is, let's assume this week you're able to get $3,000 or $5,000. They will send that one to you while waiting for the money to reach that target that you need, which is what? $20,000. So please, like I said, I don't want to make this video long. These 5 websites, you can go there, sign up. But before I continue, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video, because there's so many ways to make money online. There's so many sites that are ready to help you, that are ready to give you more money for free. And I'm also so many sites where you can work. It has been tested, they've been paying us. So I'm going to be giving you so many of this information on this channel. So please, this is why you need to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. In case you have any other site that you know that is not mentioned here, and you know that these sites are really helping people to start up their side hustle, to start up a business on themselves, please, you can kindly comment and type the site, the company, and in the comment section below. Of course, we'll be happy to know such site also. Once again, thank you for stopping by.